Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. Today I wanted to do an unboxing of the DJI Air 2S. So let's get started. This is the DJI Air 2S. And this is the Fly More package that we'll be unboxing today. Alright, let's get this thing open. Let me whip out my handy dandy Leatherman. And we'll just cut into the box. As you slide open the box, the first thing you notice is the carrying case that everything comes in. It's packaged in really nice with the accessories in a little box right below. You open up the box, and it has some of the things like wires, propeller blades, the books, and some ND filters in it. Everything you see here is included in the Fly More package. But specifically inside the Fly More package, you'll find 3 batteries. The drone, obviously, which is awesome. It's got a 1-inch CMOS sensor that can shoot 5.4K 30 frames a second or 4K at 60 frames a second and 20 megapixel stills. You get the carrying case that I mentioned earlier. It's absolutely gorgeous, very well made. I'm very impressed with it. And you get that newer design controller that has amazing range thanks to OcuSync 3.0. It also has a USB-C charging port, some extra controller knobs, and I really like the way this thing is designed where the phone goes on top and then the antennas go on top of that. You also get 4 ND filters for making sure that you're ready for any sort of situation with light. 2 extra sets of propellers, all of the cabling that you could possibly need for the drone and your phone. You get a cool little USB charger that's powered by the drone batteries. Obviously you get a wall charger and a multi-battery charger that can charge 3 batteries at once. It's a really cool little set, and I think it's well worth the money that you spend on it. The propellers on the Air 2S are very easy to install. You just push down and a little twist and they're on, and same thing to take them off. Push down, a little twist and they're off. But once they're on, they're very secure. Also, taking the ND filters on and off is very easy. You just have to twist the filter that's on the drone and then pull it away. And then you can take the other drone or the other filter, place it into the drone and give it a little twist with some pressure and it puts it right back in. Simple as that. One thing that immediately stood out to me with the Air 2S versus previous DJI drones is how quiet it is. I mean, listen to this. I'm right at this drone and you can barely hear the propeller spinning. It's absolutely amazing. Another feature that I really liked is the way you can lock on to a subject. You just click and drag and you lock on. And once you've locked on, the Air 2S can maintain that lock even when it can't physically see the subject that you're following. It makes tracking shots so much easier to do because it will try its best to look at the subject while you're flying around trying to get the best shots. It makes things like the shots I'm about to show you so much easier to do than when you had to do them all full manual. Let's take a look at some of those shots now. Wow, I mean seriously, when you're working with the drone to produce the best shots versus having to just work the drone to produce the best shots, your life as a pilot is so much easier and you can really focus on being creative. I love that. Okay, I think I'm gonna bring it in for a landing now. I hope you all enjoyed watching this unboxing as much as I enjoyed making it. In my next video, I really want to go in depth with all the features on the DJI Air 2S. I hope you tune in for that one. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share these. That kind of support means the world to me, and I'm so thankful for everyone that likes, comments, and shares my videos. You guys mean the world to me, and the fact that you do that to support me is absolutely incredible, and I love each and every one of you for it. But as always, I hope to see you out there. Bye.